Beba sifuna kuletenge samsemotweni.
Inkinga sonesa ke.
Ayikho inkinga.
Are you guys leaving?
Yes. Can I get a lift, please? Okay, Rosa. Asazi jiso yazi. So, ngena la isakhopheni. Ngena khona. Siyahamba manje. Siyafa.
Siphuma kanjani kunje?
Baby, ungahamba uyosilona usasifuna. Usinika ukhizi ufika emotweni.
Tata, akuthatha bhekini. Tata,
Siyabopha, niphuma ngophi?
Uy, mascara.
Mina nekhambi izomelapha yonke off.
Just Maria, just oh my shit. Oh my God, oh my goodness. Kulu Maria just left. Oh my God. Someone got hurt, Kabang. It's a rain. Get out! Come on! Why are people not oh, the people are trying. Get out.
Yazi odakiwe lapho ulimele. Odakiwe lapho ulimele.
Guys.
You can't get out.
Yeah.
You tell me because was feminine.
Yes. Cishe.
Imanga ngithola imoto.
Cishe. Cishe. Angiyazi angiboni imaskara. Yebo guys, azikhona abantu abalimele lapha yana. Isimo sibi. Other people sebefikile phambili. They're like sizonethela asiphumi. But now umungalona sabafana babamba amatent. Itente yami ayibo iphone. Khona iphone ewile lapho phansi ndiyaqhema umuntu. Baba phansi. How am I guys? Hope no one dies. Noma engalimala umuntu ungcone ngayisibhedlela but I hope no one dies. Kelvin you asakubonanga momo. Ushasha ade perform ushasha qala isithombe. Shasha
Uze
bese ngiphethe ikhanda amafoni amanzi te simanzi te iqathuloke.
Hayi uthatha.
mina sengigeze lapho. Ngicela ngibone ngathi kunodo lothakathiwe
Ngathi ngishi ngathi udosebenzisa imayisela usuzoyifaka eloneni emehlweni.
Awunive owaningisa.
Nimzami on his own brand. Babe, how are you feeling?
traumatic experience. I want
Yeah, it was. Mina okungilona kakhulu, I hope no one got hurt.
You guys work so well together. How am I?
Ngivela ngathi nje ngene lalela umnyeni kuseyona nje Steve sokugcina ngithi mina phuma Steve futhi hayi phela isebenza ngale plan ye Steve sokugcina. Oh my god guys, kodwa vele siyendlini
Buka.
ama edges bukani lana guys, buka imoto zabantu imaphepha we M4 amanzi guys, ngiyabona ukuthi akephi halfway long. Buka amasoda guys, I hope you guys are safe.
It's very honest. I'm at 10. The location. Mama,
Vinyusela, Kevin.
ungezilana khona la ngekhona bazokwazi ukungishiya because bangisizile mfethu yo ngizokusenda location manje sekuvele wayakutasela amatende lapha makufaba
Kwacisha yonke nje sound wara.
yo
Abo sekucima ugesi sivele sathi yo
Uyacanga sound etibe odiyanga kanani lapha izinto zasale emathafeni.
hawe mama champagne baby hawe mama champagne Don Hulo
ngizwe lokho indile
hayi kodwa ngcono bese sidile
Destin ucabanga ukudla kunje mina kusekho ngisho esiswini sengigwinya amanzi
hey bokhona la sengithanda ngibonile
kanye sekukhulu sonke uthi wena uphuma mali
lapho uthi uzonoke mina nje ukuthi hey usarecord about it lapho i-flash was helping.
Yes, it
people.
was.
It was.
Khona web enyaweni zakho bona
ntombazana
azodakiwe lapho ulimele odakiwe ulimele ngikutshele odakiwe ulimele ngikutshele
udakwe yini
angifundishe ukuthi ngitshele
ngazothi lapha khona ubona ngathi kwenzeka ema-movie ngathi ngiyona impilo
senior movie
and mina I'm feeling like ngazuthi it's come kuzotornado kanje hayi bengihlekana yo bengihleka manje into engangihlekisi-ke ukuthi baby imvula ize elonene and then the mascara angisaboni-ke manje sengisanganiswa yikona ukuthi angisaboni
mina ngibuza ukuthi laba sesitendeni
basabambile
ngibona minti yawo
baby ngavela ngaphathe ekhanda kakhulu changa
ungasabe ukuphuma ngenxa yokusaba kunetha mina nje njengamanje athi ngisipoke
we made it out babe we made it out bathi batshela story time akho story time cishe safa hayi ingane yomfazi simanzi guys
ukwazi ngisho ukunyakaza
Kelvin akakaperform ngisho perform aphuma inkophe manje
Action Boys ayibo ongeke angisaboni
ehazi kodwa
zisistrong lezinkophe bengizizophuma strong ngisho for iband
kwenzeke istorm kwi-event qale abantu bagijima kunetha fine sayiziba sathi hayi yabo vele baku-generally awukho umpheme yabo show fine
bona basindile
bagijima bahamba abantu hayi bo nayi imvula iyeza ilokiza la esihleli khona kuhlehla isoso izimvula kuhlehla isoso kucima ugesi cima isound yabo itende phansi ndaqala lathi gangangangang
ngabuka
wabona umhlaba
ngibona uJesu
lapho usevukile lalela kusanjalo imvula ngathi yangena hayi kube khona umunye ubhuti nje ayilimele ipholi lalela lo kade alibamba hayi bo
every man for himself
anyakaze nalawa amanye amaphola awu iwe yodwa ngomunye uyithi laba shot pants
angibabonanga ngaphela ngiqembu
hayi afike angifake kwapheni athi ngicela ukuhamba nawe hayi ke sihambe yimlone flash ngizama ukunithatha phela through the journey ukuthi kwenzalani usazama uJames ngitshela kwimatch
James
ade ngasahleki ngiyakhonta ukuthi manje zawo usanesikhathi. And then people started falling like in front of us guys. And it was so sad because uyabona ukuthi abanye bazolimala. Bengeke singathandaza usho wakho omncane phela uyabona na Titanic la umoya uthi kefeni Please.
Ngithi
imaskari
movie.
ngathi akwenzeki la.
Senza okay cut guys bahambe nemvula.
And bengazi ukuthi siyafa.
Ubone ithu nami.
It's giving tornado vibes, guys.
Ngithi kuzoza nolwandle imvula.
Yo bekusele hayi ke nithini ke la sethiwa athi amantombazane no wonke umfana akabamba itende hayi balibamba itende abafana balibamba itende abafana
badlala ngama
sahamba bese libambile itende abafana sahamba masahamba sashona phambili sasifika phambili bama abantu ubonile
bathi bafuna ukuphuma kathi manje lapho bafuna ukunetha kathi Kola manje siyaphuma
kanya bathi yabo sibemile etendeni sekumele sihambe bathi asifuna ukunetha
hasho mathisi sahamba
sabona igagasi nali igagasi so Brooklyn bayagijimana sagijima hayi uthi sashona uleft kanti na baba
uthi mandisa left lo ngithi no
wema and amanzi abegcwele lapha emetekini besihamba uhamba khona lo sesicile samgquzula lapha eThithini sorry mama sahamba sabonga nje ukuthi kona ukuthi yabo lento ukuthi asiyazama lapha siba ama fitness khani ikhona stamina ubone lana ugijima asikhathalanga sesafike emotweni siyajwayela ngithi siyajwayela i-treadmill we-tryeze noma uye ebhishu we-tryeze nje noma uqhume inqathi bungekusindi sagijima sangena emotweni yaba manzi temu
uyazi ukuthi sigijime namajini
buka lapho besinda lamajini ubone
silent leyi hoping race le
umilo ukuthi uthi ufila ima kamala kusine noma usine osine hayi awuvusitipha jem okay sengidideke ima bukhale ngathi bengathi samasosha but we made it alive. I hope everyone is safe. It's bad.
Ubifo lo ubifo ngibukisise ubifo lo after that ngifuna imenzi ye raped
The only thing that is nice in inyama nje kuphela. Kumele kwagcwala amabele ebusweni bethu. Nje sithi siyavika phatha amawivu. Nje besibuka neyikwapa dog. Ikwapa. But love for Kelvin dog. Kelvin we within.
Mama, you have a one-man show. How do you feel?
We saw all of 5 minutes of the concert. All of 5 minutes of the concert. But it's fine, you know, I love a little red. A little reminder that we are one with nature. Thank you. He's on the wash and stuff. He's on the wash. I literally look like I just went for a swim.
My eyes.
My feet are back down under.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Yo good people, abantu baze banethwa ku concert aka Kelvin Momo. Yo, I hope wonke umuntu uhambe kahle, wonke umuntu usafe, usemakhaya. Hey kodwa ukuthanda ubumnandi Jesu kuzosibulala. Hey, asazi ukuthi kanti bebangacheckanga na iweather service maba organizer le show hle. Cause siyamthanda uKelvin Momo, siyamthanda. Yo, good people, please comment below. Tell us what do you think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.